What's up guys, it's JamJack7070 and today we are continuing the platforming series and we fixed the enemy. I fixed the enemy and all you gotta do is instead of 2 just set it to 3. I was playing around with the numbers a little when I found out that 3 was the best number. I tried like 2.1 and all that stuff and it didn't work, and then I just tried 3 and it worked. And you can still die and everything, which is good. That's a glitch where you stomp on the Goomba, but it respawns. And in this episode, so we are going to be switching the costumes, because you see our player is just walking, standing, literally just standing. He's just standing, he's jumping, standing, and we're just gonna change that. So we're gonna make a new block in our player and call it animate walk. So we're just gonna call it walk cycle. And then if I clicked, we're going to do forever if dead equals the walk cycle. And then in the walk cycle, if key left or right arrow first, switch costume to walk 1. Wait, 0.01, walk 2, and then walk 3. I'm just going to do 0.1. And then we're going to do, actually we're going to put this in if else. And then we're going to do in the else, if touching the level, and if left and right arrows not pressed, switch costume to the idle pose. We're just going to put that in here. And then we're also going to do, we're going to go into our Y script and we're going to pay attention to the if not touching level. And we're going to do if else. You know what? No, just if. If Y is greater than 0, or not equal 0. I'm just going to do not equal 0. We're going to switch costume to the jump. But you can see that our walk cycle is trying to fit in. So if we go to our walk cycle, we're going to just wrap around the if touching level around everything. And there, we have our animation scripts. And you can jump, you can walk. And you can do about almost anything in a Mario game. So, that's it for this episode. It was kind of short, just 5 minutes. And I'll see you in the next parts where we will probably be making collectibles, which is going to be fun. Okay, see you in the next part. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.